Imagine mornings where your kitchen feels like a warm embrace, elegant yet effortlessly lived in. Garten's timeless luxury, right at home. Step into this kitchen, and warmth wraps around you like a favorite hug. Sunlight dances across creamy cabinets and dark counters, turning everything golden. The wooden beams overhead whisper stories of cozy gatherings. Here, every breath feels like home, heartfelt luxury in simple moments. Island stools invite lingering chats. Herbs scent the air softly. It's pure Garten magic, elegant yet so lived in, where love simmers in the light. Feel the ease of this U-shaped haven, sunlight spilling through skylights like gentle encouragement. Counters gleam invitingly, begging for morning rituals. Oak beams add a rustic embrace, while taupe tones soothe the soul. Sinkside, it's all comfort, herbs thriving, coffee brewing slow. This space hums with everyday joy, luxury that feels like yours alone. Laughter echoes naturally here, heartfelt and unhurried. Breathe in this linear retreat. Afternoon light filters softly, painting ivory cabinets in dreamy hues. The stove commands gently, a hearth for soulful cooking. Wood paneling hugs the walls with quiet strength. Nestle into the banquette nook, pure bliss. Textures whisper comfort, linens fresh loaves. It's elegant warmth that stirs the heart, where luxury blooms in tender, daily rhythms. Overhead, this galley glows under clerestory rays, creamy cabinets flowing seamlessly. Black marble grounds the whimsy, with ceiling adding soulful depth. Island herbs reach for light, stirring peace. Every corner feels intimate, like secrets shared over tea. Rattan stools cradle you softly. Here, luxury whispers through textures, plasters touch, linens fold, crafting heartfelt mornings that linger. Sun pours through French doors, bathing this open kitchen in noon's embrace.
Creamy doors hide treasures. Limestone tops invite creation.
Beams frame a world of calm luxury. Coffee cart becomes ritual spot. Velvet banquette a soft sigh. Flowers nod in breeze. It's Aina-inspired elegance. Personal, enveloping, where every surface holds warmth and whispered dreams. Corner sunlight glows on parallel walls, driftwood beams weaving magic overhead. Taupe whispers comfort, fireside seats draw you near. Island pendants sway lazily. Linen runners soften steps. Feel the heartfelt pulse, luxury that nurtures, light caressing pottery stacks. Bay window frame serenity. This space holds you gently, a cozy symphony of everyday grace. Skylights flood this island heart, almond tones blooming warm. Cabinets cradle memories. Marble invites flower-dusted hands. Baking station hums alive, pure delight. Wooden stools promise lazy afternoons. Rosemary's scents drift lazily. Upholstered nooks beckon stories. Garten elegance lives here. Heartfelt luxury and light soft kiss. Textures that feel like family. North light caresses wraparound counters, linen cabinets exuding quiet poise. Obsidian tops reflect serenity. Barnwood beams add depth. Sink zone feels alive. Citrus brightens. Linens stack lovingly. Rattan holds you close. Drawers reveal thoughtful touches. This elegant warmth envelopes like friendship. Luxury woven into every sunlit texture, stirring soulful ease. Midday rays illuminate hybrid flow, creamy panels glowing softly. Charcoal quartz anchors whimsy. Plaster ceiling softens above. Bar stools invite deep talks. Ironstone shelves gleam. Blush neutrals warm the air. Garlands sway gently. Harvest table extends welcome. Heartfelt luxury pulses here. Ina-style embrace, where light dances through emotional layers of home. Overcast glow bathes this zoned wing, vaulted beams soaring high. Inset cabinets hide delights, Calicata veining tells tales. Range draws you in, cooking's joyful core. Dining island nurtures, with upholstered grace. Herbs line walls verdantly, breadboards await hands. Elegant warmth unfolds, Luxury that feels intimately yours. Light weaving heartfelt stories. This kitchen invites you to savor life's simple luxuries. Warmth in every beam, elegance in every detail. Let it inspire your space to nurture joy daily.